Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys, as always, are having the most wonderful day. I wanted to bring you a little mystery box from eBay. Guys, this little mystery box cost me $6.99 and free shipping, which I thought was pretty good. Mystery boxes are usually much more expensive than that. This is a Christmas mystery box. So I bought it from eBay. It came within about 4 days, which I thought was pretty good. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. I have not looked inside this box and it only arrived today and I was dying to get into it. So I've opened up all of the sellotape and we're just going to pop it open together. Oh my gosh. And it is, guys, just as an FYI, it's a decently sized box for $6.99. So flip over the top. I'm going to give you guys a quick view and hopefully not tip anything out. So this is what it looks like inside. Let's go see what they've got. So first thing that we got was a thank you for your purchase, supporting their small business, and just to let them contact them before leaving any negative feedback, and they will do everything that they can to make it right. So that's awesome. This is a mystery box. I know things inside it are not going to be, I'm always hopeful I get great stuff, but if I don't, I'm also not disappointed, and I would never leave negative feedback for a mystery box. I have left negative feedback for personal things that I've purchased, but never for a mystery box, because I know that I'm taking a risk when I buy it, and for $6.99, it's probably not worth it. The first thing I see, and I can honestly say I'm not really gelling with, are these Christmas baubles. I can clearly say I've got 4 of them. They are a little bit rusty, a little bit beat up. So I definitely can't actually even hold them. I definitely don't think I'll be keeping these, but I can't even hold them, for goodness sake. I got 4 of these. They all have the little strings. I may either donate those or pass them on to someone else. Let's see what else we've got. I'm just going to put these here, but I can't guarantee that they'll stay, but we'll pop them there anyway. So they're right over there. I got some Primark baubles. This one's actually quite pretty, and this one I potentially would keep. It's in really good condition. This one isn't, though. It might be, some people might think it's in good condition. It has rope inside it, but it just looks a little tatty to me. It's not overly bad, but that's $150. I don't think they're bad. They're actually okay. One of them definitely I'll keep and use. The other one I might donate with the other baubles that I got. I got a bag. Looks like it's made in China. And inside the little bag, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 of these little figurines. So let's take them out of the packages. They're all individually packaged. I think they're plastic, I'm not sure, but we've got a little sit-down snowman with the blow-away scarf. We've got exactly the same one, so we've got 2 of those. We got a little snowman with his top hat and a little bit of, I think, mistletoe. He's trying to get a sneaky kiss, and again, I think that's plastic. And then we have another little snowman, a little chubbier snowman who looks adorable and cute. These are actually quite good because in my work, I have a tiny little Christmas tree that I decorate, but it's only tiny. It's only about this size. And these will be nice to sit just underneath it. So I'm not mad at those at all. I think they will come in handy and I will use them. Let's pop those into the bubbles. Grab something else. What is this? Oh, I think these are tattoos. So we have a pack of tattoos. You can tell because the wording is the other way around. So we have, in fact, we have lots of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have a 10 pack of Christmas tattoos. That's not too bad. I can put those in the little charity packs, and that would be pretty awesome. What the heck is this? Oh, so this is £2.50. So this is a Jolly Whoopee Cushion Christmas present. It is £2.50 from Primark. So a lot of this stuff looks like it's ex-Primark, and you can tell that I don't believe this has been opened. I don't believe so. But this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. It is actually got glitter on the inside of it. So this may have been opened at one point. It does exactly what it says. It looks like a Christmas present. So that's a little bit of fun. Let's pop our whoopee cushion right over here. We have another Primark bundle. So we have a £1 Primark set of Christmas cards. It's a pack of 20. These cards are actually pretty cute. They do have a little bit of glitter on them, and these are the two styles at the back. They're both penguins, which are adorable. And yeah, I need Christmas cards, so these are pretty awesome. Definitely will come in handy. What is this? Right back here. We have some Merry Christmas stampers. Okay, so we have a set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 Christmas stampers, which I think is okay. And they're completely sealed, so I'm going to leave them sealed. I probably pop these into one of the little charity packs. I do know that I have a charity pack where someone has requested art supplies, so these will be fun to put in there, and they are brand new. The box is really decent. Probably £1 in Poundland. I still think that's fine. We've got something big at the bottom. Oh, big at the bottom and full of glitter. One of my pet peeves are these decorations that have glitter. They drive me insane. And I don't even know what this says. It's so busy. Is it Noel for peace? Noel Joy Peace. Close. Noel Joy Peace. It is super glittery. It looks really pretty and really sparkly. Again, I might bring this into my work and put it there. But I hate cleaning up sparkly glitter from my house. But this is still quite pretty, and I know these go for even average. A little bit of damage right here, hardly noticeable. But I know that these go for around about £3 in Poundland. So, I mean, guys, I think we're going to have, I think that's going to fall. But I think that we've probably made our £6.99 up here already. But we've still got a ton more to go. Oh my good Lord. Who's using face masks? So this is a kid's face mask. You can definitely tell it's a kid's face mask. It is Christmas themed. And they have the little dinosaurs that have the Christmas hats on. You can see right here. I mean, it's a brand new face mask, but I'm probably going to discard that. I don't think I would have any use for it. We have a couple of little things in the bottom. So we have this little elfin around notebook. It's just a clear notebook. And again, I do have a mystery bag. I do have a charity bag that I have been asked to put in art supplies. I know these are teeny, but it's for a 7-year-old. I think this would be great just to sketch a few things on. So I'm okay with that. And we also have another ho one right here. Completely plain. So I know they'll definitely go to good use. This is a Primark and Poundland haul, Mysterybox, I think, or Overstock. These things have obviously been on sale and somebody's picked them up and made the box. Again, I'm not mad at this box. I paid $6.99 and I think I've already got the value, so I'm not disappointed. But a lot of these things I won't keep. A lot of these things I will donate, and I'm perfectly fine to donate. If somebody else can get use out of them, I'm definitely happy with that. But we have a set of Primark 30 tiny little baubles. And to be fair, I did actually go and buy baubles recently because I was doing a mini Christmas tree makeover. And the colour scheme was red and silver. So I could have actually used these red balls if I had have had these in time, but I don't. And somebody else will definitely make use of these. But they're brand new, sealed in the packet. So that's neat. What else do we have? We have some paper. I mean, I don't mind this paper. I do use it, but I think we got 3 sheets. We got 2 sheets. 3 sheets, 3 sheets. We got 3 sheets of this silver tissue paper. Again, like I said, I use tissue paper, so that's going to come in handy. What is this? We've got some Christmas stickers. These are adorable. I will use these stickers on my little gift bags. In fact, I'll show you guys. I'm currently making up the gift bags for the charity. So these are the little gift bags that I'm going to use, and I will use some fun little stickers on them. So I'm really happy to have those. They're not a bad thing at all. And then I have 2 of these porcelain. They are porcelain. Maybe don't do that. And they come with the little ribbon to attach yourself. These are 2021. I'm not surprised these are in a mystery box. I don't think these are bad. I think they're just funny because in 2021, we still had coronavirus. And in fact, we still have coronavirus, but it's maybe a little less, I guess people are a little less worried about it. So we've got a 2021. Don't think I'll keep this, may dispose of this, but we've got one of those. Let's hope we don't have another one. Let me see. Oh, we do. Again, you have the little tie, and this is again 2021, and your vaccine at the bottom. I mean, I guess we could put these away, so the kids in 20 years take these out and say, oh, why was there a vaccine on this 2021 little Christmas tree decoration? I don't know. We'll see. If anybody wants these, let me know in the comment section, because I definitely will be happy to send them to you. I don't know if I would keep them, but I'm happy to share with you guys. What else do I have? I think we've only got a couple. Oh, we've got a few things in here. Oh, okay. So we have some tree decorations. Oh my goodness. Now this is adorable. Look how cute this little guy is. He is a little polar bear with a Santa hat. This is made by Suki. It's for decorative use only. Does it have a price inside? No price, but that's okay. It's a Suki Gifts International Limited in Peterborough, but it's made in China. But this is super cute. I will definitely use this on my Christmas tree. My Christmas tree theme is red, silver, and white. So this is absolutely perfect. And how adorable is this little guy? Then we have another one that I think is adorable. Again, it is ceramic, but a very heavy ceramic. This is super heavy. This is Primark. It is £1.50. I don't know if this is even this year. This is probably a couple of years old. It does have some scuff marks on it. You can just see here, but again, that won't matter to me. But we have this, I don't even know what this is. Polar bear? You guys let me know in the comment section what you think this is. But it's cute and adorable, fits in with my theme. It can sit up. It's definitely cute. So I would use that. There's a big pile of stuff right over here. But I think we're coming down to the last few items. Oh, the next thing are some Christmas gift tags. I have all of my Christmas gift tags in, but I know people who still need some. So I'll definitely give them to them. I think this is a card of 5. So there's 5 cards. Plus you get your string. The string's really, really pretty. So we've got that. Christmas gift tags, and they are adorable. And then we have, I think we have 4 more things. Do we have 4? 4 more things. We have more stickers. We have lots and lots of stickers. So we have the little elf on the shelf stickers. And again, I will use these. These are so cute and adorable. And we get 1 set, which is fine. 1 set. They're really cute. We have got this is also Primark. I know by the stickers that this is Primark. It is Primark. So this is £4. It was on sale for 2. I'm just going to try and take this little, it doesn't actually matter. I'll try and take that off so it looks a little better. There we go. So we have this make your own wind up elf. I'm assuming there is, so this is what you get inside. You get the plasticine, the clay, and then you get the little mechanism so you can make your own. I will definitely, the box is a little bit bent up, but I can put that back into shape. And I'll probably just pop this in with one of the little charity boxes. I still think this is a cute, fun activity. I mean, even £2 isn't bad for that. I think we have 2 more items. So, oh my goodness, this is another Primark one, and it's £4. I have no doubt this was down to probably £1. But this is and I'm not even going to take it out of the box because it's sealed, and I might pop it into one of the little charity bags. And this is a ring for presents, and it's just a little fun bell. It is £4 at Primark. I'm assuming that this went on sale and the seller picked this up for really cheap and popped it into this mystery box. But again, I'm really not mad because I think I've got, I mean, not everything here is to my liking. Of course it isn't. And not everything would I even think of keeping. And I'm okay with that. I'm just going to pop that off the bottom. But it's still pretty decent stuff, and it's in decent condition for the most part. Oh my gosh, this is definitely, I think, my favorite thing that I've gotten. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Huh, this is so cute. Okay, so I'm super happy with this. This is again another Primark item. It was £2.50. I'm assuming this probably went on sale at some point, but it does say £2.50, and it is this adorable little hanging Mickey photo frame, Christmas decoration, hanging decoration is what they call it. This is super cute. This doesn't even have to be for Christmas. You can put this on your Christmas tree and then take it off and hang it anywhere. I mean, this is so cute and adorable, and definitely my favorite thing in this entire haul. And guys, that's everything, I think. Yep. Oh, everything's falling. That's everything I got in the mystery box. What do you think? I think my thoughts are, I think this was pretty decent for the price that I paid. And if they had other mystery boxes that weren't Christmas, I'm definitely going to go back and have a look to see what else I can get. But I mean, I genuinely think I scored on this haul. What do you think? Do you think this mystery box was worth it? Yes? No? Let me know in the comments section. Guys, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. You're all truly amazing, and I am honestly so grateful. I genuinely hope you have the most amazing evening, day. And if you like this video, please smash that like button. If you guys are not yet a subscriber and are watching this video, I would kindly ask if you wouldn't mind subscribing. It really does help support my channel, and it helps with YouTube's algorithm. And if you guys want to leave a comment in the comment section, please feel free to do so. I will definitely come back just as soon as I can and respond. Well, thank you so much. I'm going to say bye. Take care, everybody. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.